up, y'all? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and just shooting some videos right now just because, the power of YouTube, the power of marketing. Um, I'm just chilling right now. I wasn't planning on doing videos, but I'm like, you know what? I just feel like just shooting content, right? Um, but anyway, I just wanted to talk about just making money in general. And if you had to start all over, if I had to start all over, you know, what would I be doing? First of all, my camera up here, so I'm probably gonna be looking all crazy, but it's about what I'm saying. So anyway, just sitting here thinking about like when I started making money online, it was back in like 2008. Yeah, it's about 2008. I seen my first commission, and it was from actually a program called um, Average Joe. All right, it was when to me when courses just started coming out. It was called the Average Joe. I forget the name of the guy who created whatever, but I thought it was so cool because it was like one of the first few like affordable programs uh, about making money online. And at that time, article marketing was huge, right? It was huge at the time. It kind of it ain't as popular because everything is video, obviously, but article marketing still do exist. But anyway, the Average Joe was a course. It taught you how to find keywords that people were searching for online and how to like write articles and basically drive traffic to different affiliate offers. Um, and I remember following the course and I actually, getting like my first commission. I forgot what the first thing I ever sold was. I don't even remember. Um, but yeah, it was a cool little course. It taught you the basics. But like I said, that was 10 years ago. And I think about now, I think about how many courses there are because back when I started, to me, it wasn't that many courses. It was a lot, but not like now. Um, and now there's so many courses on so many different ways to make money online, and so many methods and strategies and videos out there. Everybody, like on YouTube, you watching this, and everybody got their own strategies and 5 tips to this, 10 tips to that. Da, 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 da. At the end of the day, you gotta do your own research. Like listen to YouTube videos, listen to that, but you got to go with what you feel comfortable with because I made the mistake a million times to like look at what somebody else said, their success and what they're doing, and that might have not appealed to me. uh I might not have the same desire as the person who became successful with that method or whatever. I might not have had that same outlook as they did or even drive or whatever. So the point is, guys, there is ways to make money online, tons of ways. Some of them, in my opinion, are better than others. But you got to go and find what's good for you. Now, my take on courses, I always talk about there are legit courses out there. But I always tell people if you're willing to buy a course, you need to be willing to uh, go through the whole course and give whatever you learn an opportunity to actually work. I mean, I review courses all the time. I talk about courses, and they're honestly out of like every 20 courses, like one or two are actually like really, really good. Not saying the rest are like scam or nothing, but the rest are just either stuff that I've already heard of, or some of it is just I won't say far fetched. It's doable, but a lot of courses are misleading, right? A lot of courses with that whole easy, that word easy or overnight. A lot of those courses that use words like that, yeah, their methods might work and can make money, but it's more to it when you get into the course. It's like that a lot. You know what I mean? That's why when I try to talk about courses and review courses, I try to be as real as possible. Yes, I promote products. You know what I'm saying? That's what marketers do. That's what affiliate marketers are supposed to do, right? Um, but yeah, like just getting started, like listen, okay, there's nothing wrong with doing your research, finding courses and everything, but find something that you feel like you can do that you're actually interested in and really dig into it. Because me, when I say I wish I could start over, it's just like I'm involved with so many different things. Sometimes I get scatterbrained. Sometimes you get like overwhelmed. Sometimes you feel, you know, you get that paralysis by analysis. What's the thing? I forget the thing. Uh, Paralysis by analysis or something like that, where you got so much going on that you actually, at the end of the day, you ain't doing nothing. So you don't want to be that person. But maybe this video motivates you or not if you made it to this point. But straight up, like, you making money online, it's cool, but it is tough. Like, find something to run with and go with it. You know what I mean? Because it's a lot of garbage out there, but there's a lot of good information out there as well. So whether it's a course or you know, just YouTube videos, whatever, you gotta take action. You gotta take action. My channel has tons and tons and tons of cool ways that you can jump into making money online. If you can't find nothing on my channel to help you make money online, then you ain't gonna make money online. Period. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, point of this video is to let you know, like, it's real. People are making money online, but you gotta be willing to like find something and run with it, because all that simple and overnight and super easy system, none of that stuff really does exist. All right, so take my advice for what it's worth. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully this helped you out. But like I said, if you're not subscribed to this channel, do so right now. I'm always dropping content. And till the next time, peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.